Hey guys, it's me, Squishy Cakes 201 Maribel, and today we're going to be doing a slime video. This was a surprise that I've been talking to you guys about. I don't know about the second surprise. I don't know if we're going to do it, but this is the first time I'm going to be making glue with Elmer's glitter glue. So we're going to be trying that out to see if it works, and I already opened it. So let's get into the video. So first we're going to be pouring in the ingredients are gonna be glue, detergent, water, and those are all the ingredients I'm gonna be using, and a spoon and a plate. So let's get into the video. Let's add the glue. I think that's enough. Now some water. That's enough. Detergent. Oh, it spilled. Damn it. Doesn't matter. I didn't add enough. There. Hold on, let me clean up this mess. And then we're gonna mix it. It's time to eat. Okay. Sorry.
Your glue.
Okay, thank you.
Big.
Whoa! That was my sister. Now to touch. It's kind of wet. I think this. Okay, I'll be right back once I'm done mixing it. So guys, I already finished mixing it. Look how pretty. So we're going to be doing an, right after I'm finished, I'm going to hit you with an ASMR. Sorry guys, I cannot do an ASMR, but I am going to end this video right now. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe and share with your families and friends. And also, I'm going to be putting on fake nails today. And I love how it came out. So yeah, and don't worry, I did actually do it. Look, it has glitter just like this, and it came out kind of bluish because of the detergent. But I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe and share with your families and friends. And yeah, and I have another challenge for you guys. So please try to like and subscribe, but with your feet. And you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you did not subscribe and like in 5 seconds, it's okay. Please still like and subscribe. And if you did, please tell me in the comments down below that you did. So bye guys. Peace.